Hey everyone, welcome to my video. This is a video on setting up Stylescape in the quickest way possible. Let's go ahead and open up the demo map first. This is so that we can grab all of the necessary settings. Let's go ahead and select everything under environment using shift and click, and then scroll down and control and click the rest of the items here and under the water. Next up, what we want to do is control C, so that we have that in our clipboard. Let's go to File, New Level, and Empty Level. Go ahead and press Control B so we have everything in here that we need. I'm just going to save this real quick. You can save this whatever you want. Next up, let's go to the Landscape tab. I'm going to import from File. You can create new if you'd like, but I have a landscape here available. Let's go ahead and set the landscape material. I'm going to set mine to Demo. It's MISS Landscape Demo. I recommend you guys create your own instance of this material, and then go ahead and set all the layer infos. Just make sure you have the correct file paths for every single layer info. And then I'm going to actually use a fill layer because the grass layer does not automatically apply for some reason when you import from file, although it will work correctly when you do create new. And I'm going to hit import, and as you see, it also auto applies the cliffs. And I'm going to actually go ahead and start on a little lake. I'm going to go ahead and sculpt a little area here and use the flatten tool. It's going to be pretty dramatic actually. Let's go ahead and smoothen these out. Alright, and let's select everything under the water folder and move it over. I'm gonna actually hide the water real quick. I forgot to paint the sand. Go over the paint tab, sand, and set it to 1. And then go ahead and just quickly paint over this. Alright, re-enable the water. And there's our water. The last step that I do is build the reflection captures, so that's correct on the water surface. I'm gonna hit play, and I have a mannequin character here set up. And you can see we have underwater here with nice fog. And also ambient audio for the water. Next up, we want to place foliage. To do so, you want to go to Stylescape, Landscape, PFS, and there's 2 foliage spawners here. Just make sure you go to Edit, Editor Preferences, and enable Receded Foliage. Mine's enabled right now. And then just drag them into the level. Zero them out, and then set the scale appropriate so that it matches your landscape size. And then actually everything is set up already, so you just scroll down, make sure both of them are selected. Oh, I forgot to scale that one as well. Quickly do that. Select both of them and then hit resimulate. Alright, so all the trees are populated, and it also populates the rocks, mushrooms, ferns, and flowers. You may notice that there's no evergreen trees. This is because the evergreen trees rely on the evergreen grass layer. So you want to go to the landscape, paint, and evergreen grass. Then I'm just going to use this little hill here to paint some evergreen around it. Next up, all you have to do is go back to the trees and hit resimulate. And there you have it. We have evergreen trees. This sums up the basics of setting up Stylescape. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any comments or suggestions for Stylescape, you can send them to nickcoachman@gmail.com. You can reach me there at any time. Until then, see you next time.